In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include a sparkline in an Excel pivot table. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and bringing up the worksheet that contains your pivot table, or create one if it is not already in place. Sparklines are a great option when you want to add a quick visual summary directly inside your table. Instead of building a full chart, a sparkline gives you a tiny chart in a single cell, which makes it perfect for comparing trends across rows in a pivot table. For this example, imagine you have a pivot table that lists products in the first column and monthly values across the next few columns, such as January through April. The goal is to display a sparkline for each product in a separate column, such as column F. So each row has its own mini trend line. The recommended method is to insert sparklines directly based on the pivot table values. First, make sure your pivot table is already created. Then select the range of cells that contains the values you want the sparklines to represent. For example, if your monthly numbers run from B2 through E5, highlight that full block of data. After that, go to the Insert tab in Excel and click Sparklines. You will then choose the sparkline type you want. Line is usually the best choice for showing trends over time, but column and win-loss are also available depending on the kind of summary you want. When the dialog box appears, check the Data Range field to confirm Excel is referencing the correct pivot table values. Then click into the Location Range field and select the cells where the sparklines should appear, such as F2 through F5. Once both ranges are correct, click OK. Excel will insert one sparkline per row, giving each product a compact visual summary of its monthly trend. After that, you can customize the sparklines to make them easier to read. Click on any sparkline, then go to the Sparkline tab, which may also appear as Sparkline Design, depending on your Excel version. From there, you can change the sparkline color, show high points and low points, turn on markers, or apply a different style. If the sparklines look cramped, simply resize the cells so the trends are more visible. The result is a cleaner, more professional pivot table that helps viewers spot patterns at a glance. One final tip: if your pivot table is refreshed and the number of rows changes, you may need to update or recreate the sparklines so they continue to match the correct data range.